royalty flex. Your boy, you see next how that mag and shoddy work. Can't rid this smell with bath and body works. It's sad and probably worse. First the chroma spit. Wise guys do drive-bys and don't own a whip. Time come, divine sons need a song to rip. Thugs in harmony, cool, I got a bone to pick.
Vlogs, battles, music videos, interviews, and much more. Pushing the culture forward. No Mercy TV. Yo, what's good, y'all? No Mercy. Trap New York shit. NoMercyTV.com. You know what time it is, man. Let's talk about Remy Ma. Shout out to her. You know what I mean? Just threw on a dope event with the Chrome 23 anniversary. But we all know she faced a little bit of trouble, trying to make sure, the event goes well. Basically, what we're getting is, that URL tried to block the Hitman and Easy battle, right? So, I'm not going to hold you. I heard a lot. I heard a lot from cease and desist letters to trying to get the battle on the app. Like, I heard URL was doing all sorts of shit to, either make sure this battle don't go down or to get involved somehow or whatever the case is and come to a compromise, which even if it's, let's say, trying to get the battle on the app, right? If they have somebody that's under contract that is, doing a battle on another platform and it's a battle that they shouldn't be doing or whatever it is based on the contract, right? I see that as being like a compromise. Like, okay, let's see if we could somehow, make this still valuable for the contract or whatever. And you're going to try certain things to, make sure you can get it. So even if it's something like trying to get the battle for the app, you feel me? That's, something that I guess would be in the lines of contract. So I feel like they were trying everything they could before they actually had to push the button and say, yo, we got to make this a real legal matter. We got to start suing niggas, right? So Remy went on Norbes show. She did an interview, and she was basically saying that, yo, if you'll call a lawyer on me or if you'll take me to court or whatever the case is, that's like you'll call the police on me. First of all, I found that the funniest shit is saying that on the platform of a person that has an open case against URL. Like, that was super ironic. I'm like, yo, you essentially are kind of dissing the guy that you're talking to. You feel what I'm saying? But listen, I feel like this. We got to stop trying to be so quick to attach police and snitch and all that to everybody's name, because it seems like, yo, when people don't rock with people, the first thing they try to do is they try to associate, oh, you're a police, oh, you're a snitch and stuff like that. They try to use anything they can to try to put a label like that on somebody just so they can either win an argument, just so they can look better than someone, or just so they can get the fans or get somebody. Like, everything is not police shit. You understand what I'm saying? When you talking legal systems and suing people, contract breaches, that is not police shit. When you into business, you have to have lawyers, you have to have contracts. And if people breach their contracts, you know what you have to do? You tell your lawyer, basically, hey, go get that money. That's what a lawyer is. You feel me? Is legally digging in your pockets because you violated. You get what I'm saying? So there's no way that you can equate that to actually getting someone locked up, getting someone arrested, getting someone to a point where they're losing their freedom. You understand what I'm saying? Like, that's not what happens in business. Businesses sue each other every day and all day. That's why everybody has lawyers. You feel what I'm saying? So it's like, You know how many street niggas have a separate stash for lawyer money? Is that snitching? Like, what are we doing here? Lawyer to keep you out of jail. You feel me? So once we got to start talking all right, maybe that street niggas having a stash for lawyers was a bad example, but for any other case, because the street niggas is not really suing niggas unless they get into like a car accident or something. But even that, if you get into a car accident, you taking somebody to court, that's snitching. Like, come on. If you go to get like a procedure done, like an operation or something, and something goes wrong, it's malpractice, and you take them to court, is that snitching? Like, we got to stop with this police snitching on every little thing that happens. You understand? Like, it's not snitching. It's not and you know, when URL does some bullshit, I hold them accountable too. You feel me? Y'all been seeing me say I'm not with this caffeine shit and, you know, all the shit that they doing. So, you know, when URL does some bullshit, they do some bullshit. But in this case, it's like you can't always attach police shit to everybody. And me, I get sick of it. We're in the social media era where everybody's able to look up everybody's paperwork and all this kind of shit. Cool. But to be calling niggas police and snitches at every turn just because you don't get your way, it's like, come on, man, what are you doing? You feel what I'm saying? So, you know, I just think it's one of those things where, if Easy was on contract and Remy knew about it, or, you know, even when she started promoting the event, if she found out then and she was made aware and she still chose to go through with the battle anyway, or she still chose to encourage Easy to go through with the battle, or whatever the case was, then she got to wear what comes with that. You feel what I'm saying? That's just business. When you have money involved in things, yes, that is what you do. You know, somebody breach contract, you start suing people. You send your lawyer after people. You get what I'm saying? So that's really all it is, man. That's really all I came to talk about. Wasn't going to make this blog too long, but I seen that interview and I was just like, yo, the funniest shit was her saying that to Norbes. Like, we know Norbes got an active case against URL. You feel what I'm saying? We know all the RBE versus URL lawsuit. It's like, people get sued. You understand what I'm saying? So even that train of thought is not gonna work in business. Like, you feel me? If you're gonna willfully violate contracts and stuff like that, then you just got to be able to wear what comes with it. You feel me? And guess what's gonna come with it? People suing your ass. You feel what I'm saying? So, you know, that's just what it is. But either way, definitely was a great event. Salute to Remy Ma and everything she's doing. But I can't really get behind the police shit. You feel what I'm saying? So that's just my thoughts on that. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Now holla at y'all soon, man. No Mercy, Trap New York shit, NoMercyTV.com. I'm out of here.